Hi everyone, hi mom, it's Liz here at the Paper Project and I am so excited, you guys. So if you have subscribed to my channel, you know that I love making mixed media inspiration kits, and I'm making something a little different this time, or I should say I'm putting them together a little bit different this time, and I think this will be so fun for those of you who like to work the way that I do, which is using a variety of items. So for these kits, what I'm going to do is they're going to be surprise inspiration kits. You will have a combination of fabrics, of napkins, and some wallpaper samples, as well as a little bit of lace, and they will be random. So you won't get to select what you're getting, but I will try and include a variety of things that I know you'll enjoy using in your projects. So let me start by showing you the wallpaper sample pieces. And so if you've been watching people lately, there's a lot using wallpaper samples. I love using wallpaper. It's so, you know, it's so nice to go through them and see them and the different textures and designs on them. And what I love about wallpaper as well is not everyone has the same one, so it just gives you, you know, something else that you can do with your projects that might be a little unique. So for example, I have this piece here, which I think is about 5x7 piece, and you've got the flowers and you've got the borders, etc. So you can, you know, cut these out, like fussy cut them out and use different parts of them. You can make these into pockets, into tabs on pages. I mean, it's just endless what you can do with, you know, wallpaper, just as you can use paper. So there's a selection, a variety here that you can use. These ones are so cute. They'll be so great for like a, you know, a children's journal or a baby shower, that sort of thing. You know, we've got some other pieces here, and they will be random, so you're not going to be getting everything you see here, but you will have a selection. These are the paintable wallpaper pieces that I like to use as well. You've got, you know, these pieces. If you guys have been watching Amity Bloom, she uses wallpaper a lot as well in her stuff, and I love using wallpaper, you guys. This would make such a gorgeous, you know, pocket or, you know, page, you know, tabs, etc. I'm also going to include some doilies because we all love our doilies. So the kits will all have doilies and a variety of the wallpaper samples. They will also have some napkin samples, and so, or I should say some napkins, not samples, but some napkins. There's a variety that that I have as well, and these are smaller sizes, but I also love these. These would be so great, you know, for art projects, mixed media projects, decoupage, that sort of thing. If you're making like a travel journal, you know, that sort of thing as well, or a nature themed journal. These ones are actually 8 pieces that that you can cut out and use in your projects because they're the smaller size, as I said. There will also be some larger napkins, and these ones have, you know, like kind of like little squares that you can individually use each one, which is also great. There'll be some medium-sized ones, and then some of the larger ones as well that that, as you guys know, we all love to use. So let me just show you what I've got here. So there's some nice larger pieces. So again, I'm just showing you a sample. There will be napkins included in the kits as well, and as I said, the wallpaper. I do have the 1 yard of lace that will come with the kits because I think it's just so fun to have lace in projects. A variety of sizes of fabrics, and these ones, I think these ones are about 3 by 3 inches. So some of the smaller ones will be like that, but again, it's random because I don't really have a lot of the same fabrics as I've mentioned before. I think this is the smallest one, so this would be 3 by 3 inches, and this one's just a tad smaller than that. And again, it's just a random selection. Look how cute this one is, right? So there's these pieces, and you'll get some of those. I've also got these 9 by 9 inches, and they're like meshy, but I don't really know, you know, what to call them. I will include one of those as well. And I also have this one that's like a lace looking one. And again, it's about 9 inches on that. And so now for the fabrics. Oh my gosh. So I recently picked some up from a lady that is an upholsterer. She does curtains and she upholsters items and stuff. So I was so happy to get some of these. Again, it's just a small, you know, selection that I can show you what might be included. These, there's some like really nice, you know, thinner fabrics. There's upholstery style fabric. There is, like I said, a thinner fabric, different patterns, different textures. But again, as I said before, you'll have a variety to use in your projects. I don't even think I have enough room to show you everything here. And this again is just a small sample of what might be included in the kits. Now I haven't 100% decided if I'll be separating like the kits maybe in the fabrics or just kind of a little bit of everything. I'm going to try and keep the postage down as well, because I know these tend to be a little bit more expensive to ship because of the weight. So we'll see how that turns out. And then for the neutral ones, you'll all have some neutral fabrics because I really do enjoy using those as well. And this is what I've been doing lately with my neutral fabrics, just to give you an idea of additional things you can do with them. Look at these. Aren't these gorgeous? So I've been stamping on them with my Cavallini stamps. And I can't wait to use these in other projects, you guys. I think they just came out so beautiful. And that's what you can do with some of your neutrals. So I'm getting so excited adding more to that. And then as I showed you before, the smaller pieces that I was showing you, I've seen a lot of people stitch them together and put them on their covers. I think that's such a fabulous idea as well for fabrics. So, you know, the fabrics that I'll be including, the napkins, the wallpaper samples, you'll have such a variety to play with. And I hope that it inspires you so much to make new things and create more things, because you know, just the beauty of what is out there is enough sometimes to just give you that little push to, you know, have fun with your projects. So let me know what you think, comments below. I will be adding some of these kits periodically in my shop as I kind of put them together, because as I said, it is a variety. But I will list, you know, how many pieces will be included in the kits. And yeah, let me know what you guys think and any suggestions. I would appreciate them. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks so much for stopping by.